Welcome back, guys, and today we will be rebuilding Hawaii. I mean, this team's faced some past and had some very bad teams, so let's get right into it. Here are my settings. Hope you enjoy. Here are the stats of the first game, because the reason why I did it is because it didn't really matter to the rebuild. So there are going to be some players getting drafted. So I'll get right into that. Looks like we will be playing this. We're just going to lose this thing. And today, our goals will be to get a championship and have a lot of awards. Let's go right into the first game where it all started. We gotta pick our team for this year. That quarterback's super expensive. I think we can find a way better one. Actually, I'm gonna do like Jeffy Zai does it. I'm gonna do it without drafting it. I think he's already a 4-star, so we're good. And he's got 5-star potential. Let's go. Got this. Oh, hell no. We ain't getting a big fat old lineman, bro. Come on. Running back. Oh, crap. God. My bad, bro. QB. Be a little risky one. We can't pick him because I accidentally. We need some offense, so we're gonna go with this QB. Hopefully he's good. Moment of truth. It's pretty dookie, but I think he's better than this guy. So we're gonna cut him and start our freshman. Yeah, almost got it, and I think we should get him some weapons. I don't know who's good or who's not, but I think we should take it. We're already better than the wide receivers we have, probably. And he's a pretty solid option. I think Mims, Ajud, they're gonna find great connection. I think they're gonna make it far, and I think they got what it takes. So let's get right into. So we are gonna be playing Iowa State. And as you can see, we're on hard mode. Don't worry. Go. We're not losing now. I swear, I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna run across my whole neighborhood, yelling. I hate Taylor Swift. That can do though. We're not losing to Iowa State. Come on. If you actually like Taylor Swift, bro, I'm not hating any, but I just hate her. Also hate the Chiefs, that's probably why. Sorry, Chiefs fans, I know. I'm just not like was looking for a man. James gets sacked. Go for the run. No one's getting any wide. We'll only get 4 yards. That's still our longest freshman. Fine, man. We'll only get a 10-yard gain. We'll set up for it. It's realistic that in college football, you won't go for that. Oh, you go to NFL then college, guys. No, I saw him high school saw that guy, I knew he had athletic ability. You might think, Logan, how do you do it? You're 13. Trust me, I'm that good. Just think about it. Little Conte, if you were just disrespecting because I said, let's say like something bad about you, totally offended, I'm just, rolling. I'm being really good at this, and I'm gonna find what I like to do, And also, I really care about my fans. Like, if I ever get big, which I probably won't, but, like, I respect We'll get the touchdown there. Fourth will go for the 1 point, but I don't know why we go to 2. Usually you go for the 1. And Joseph Luke it. It's good. Boom. Look close there. And we won't play defense, but we will stop them on the 2 point. We'll find a little spot for them. James is feeling a little spicy today. We'll pinpoint actually for a good, which is actually one I picked up, saw him out of high school, great player, offensive athletic ability. He had great hands. I had him go to our camp. No one saw him, but I did. I saw the potential. I was only D1 offense. He didn't even have just mid interception. I mean, that's kind of realistic, but a lot of stuff. This is Rigo. We will make them be your new college. We will make people come to our college. We will give people transfer to Alabama to Hawaii. We will make people come to our state. We got the potential to become great. A little too far. I went to the combat. I went to his high school. Coach had me sit outside because he knew that I was about to be good. So this one pinpoint accuracy. But he says coaches that he's really looking for wide receivers, and he can't find them. So I said, hey, I'll pull you up with the wide receiver, make you great. He was pretty good. He had a D1 offer from Washington. I said, hey, I'll give you $2 million in NIL money to come here. Pretty much not a lot, which is not about $2 million now. For price on or whatever. But hey, you go from Washington, which is actually pretty good. Even get pulled up there, we go for 21 yards real quick, and it's still Joseph. He's Joseph, bro. He's having a good play, bro. I am not losing. So we'll find Medozi or whatever his name is, but I can't even remember. Please defense. Yes! We will through the dots. Looks like it's not Mim's game today. But we will make him good. We'll make his freshman year great. We will get all the top. We'll get every NFL team looking at him. He will be our starting quarterback. And it will take anybody who comes in a lot of hope, a lot of strategy. Try to take his starting position. Hey, he's now, I mean, we are pretty stupid. I mean, I'm from my mom went to my school, you know? So, I know it sucks, but like, hey, I gotta do, and we're facing a big fourth down here. And we'll find Rosie for the first down. Let's go. I knew we're not losing. Didn't want me losing to Illinois State, my bad. Everyone give it to me. Maybe secure the victory. Defense. No. Wait. What was I doing? Oh, we're cooked. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And now, I gotta run around my neighborhood screaming that I hate